Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Primetime English News with HEMABATI. First headlines. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur declares Class 12 examination results with 94% pass percentage. General strike against custodial debt of Koisnam Sanajauba alias Ibungo underway. JSC to take up further steps if governor does not initiate action. Justice Committee Chairman Joy Chandra Konthojam urges people of Manipur to teach lesson to psychophant MLAs in upcoming assembly elections. And all-party meeting resolves to support measures taken by government in response to Pahalgam terror attack. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, COSEM, declared Class 12 examination results today, achieving a remarkable overall pass percentage of 94%. The announcement was made by Additional Director of Education, Bisheshwar Kumukcham. A total of 29,065 students enrolled, with 28,909 appearing for the examination and 27,175 students successfully passing the examination. Government schools recorded a pass percentage of 89.95%, while private schools outperformed with 95.66%. In science stream, Ria Khairakpam of Comet School secured first position, Mediciana Marangthem of Herbert School second position, and Slivia Lukram and Laikram Lintoy of Comet School secured third position. In arts stream, Kaisham Hannah Devi of Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School secured first position, Harsh Maisnam of Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School secured second position, and Sagosem Inunganbi of Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School secured third position. In commerce stream, Waripam Lydia of TG Higher Secondary School secured first position, Yaifabi Sapam of TG Higher Secondary School secured second position, and Divya Mayengbam and Prithita Yumnam of TG Higher Secondary School secured third position. COSEM Chairman T. Ojit lauded the peaceful conduct of the exams despite ongoing unrest in Manipur, attributing the success to strong cooperation from the public and state government. He noted that early declaration of results before May was possible due to the change in examination strategy. Drawing inspiration from Bihar and Bengal boards, the council conducted practical exams before theory papers, which significantly expedited the evaluation process. Mention may be made that the Class 12 examinations were held from February 17 to March 26, 2025.
Exam say forcing the Matamsana light of Matamsana Madaki, Podavia of Home Podam Councilna, Sindri the Namasi, Hedo Pusita, Amukamiswa, Council Tagatsari, Manipur, they school, Maruana government schools. Okay, see, higher secondary school, see, in the coming years, possessing Barankai Kampa, infrastructure, adequate infrastructures, a number, the professional training in a number. Areas in my mama, level conceptualize or necessary to start plus service in the Kanaka, it is my good ceremony have seen on the
Ria Khairakpam of Comet School, Changangai Uchekon, stood first position in science stream of the examination. She is the daughter of Khairakpam Ungbi, Shograpam Lukamani, and Khairakpam Surchan from Ithai Bazar, Kumbi. Ria Khairakpam wants to pursue MBBS. She shared her experience during her preparation, where she had to manage her studies amid tuitions and coaching.
I am the preparation of Wabani and like Baba stage, technical school training and the Pravudi, like what you are, school timing at the moment, and teaching them ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯡꯗꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯇ ꯑꯅꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯉꯟꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯒꯜꯂꯦ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯀꯣꯔꯣꯅꯥ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯀꯦꯔꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯦ
ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯄꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯀꯞꯁꯨ ꯀꯞꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯃꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 8, 9ꯗꯒꯤ 10ꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯠ 100% ꯄꯤꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯨꯅꯦ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯃꯟ ꯃꯍꯩꯅꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯃꯟ ꯃꯍꯩꯅꯦ
ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ 1 to 5 ꯐꯥꯎ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯛꯀꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ 98 PC ꯆꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯧ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯣꯏꯌꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯁ ꯏꯃꯥꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯕꯨ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯅꯦ ꯒꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥ ꯆꯠꯂꯛꯏꯁꯦ 98ꯅꯦ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ PCꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ 96ꯇꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯗ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯑꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ 96 ꯆꯠꯂꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯟꯐꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯨꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯐꯨꯜꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯐ ꯑꯐꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯃ ꯐꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯏꯊꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯩꯌꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯋꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯡꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯈꯪꯉ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯐꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯄꯨꯡ 9:30 ꯇꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯏꯌꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ 9:30 ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯥ ꯇꯨꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯦꯕ 13:30 ꯑꯗꯥꯏ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯥꯗ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯕꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯀꯛꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯐꯝ khangde ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
Kaisham Hannah Devi of Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School, Sangakpham, stood first position in art stream. She is the daughter of Kaisham Binadarshini Devi and Kaisham Okendrajit Singh from Yaripog, Bishnunaha, Wanglaikai. Speaking to media, Hannah attributed her success to the support given by her parents and teachers. She would like to pursue competitive exams such as UPSC in future.
My partner, my support of the I should jam another moina, wonder they see it out of the only to I school nurse, a school give learns her fees, certain manager, I get them, her name, for love it and I used to get the user, can I do I was asking you. I'm not, I'm the like Papa, some beaten, a boy who carried the swing on with the name, and I didn't know one of the taxi, the yoga, even more even thing on to the she taxi or me have to taxi just the car lawyer for you is a head of lines in the Sunday of Sina, the 10 period position, I'm not like Papa, I got to line it down to now, I say in Kaleva, I would say aging more the sea hanging lady, high nut. Tinderbergy have a bit of the than a sea the gay head home, like Panava.
On the other hand, father of Hannah, Kaisham Okendrajit, also expressed happiness on the success of her daughter.
School yoza mana care lobiba machine de tasina tum ike school ku tharasuni aduga leigda baigi papa har chunna chu aingon da khop torba podamani adubu aina phangbango bo tharasu ai sara phange sima masira yam nungai
Waripam Lydia Devi of TG Higher Secondary School, Imphal, stood first position in commerce stream. She is the daughter of Waripam Medhapati Devi and Waripam Upendra Singh from Uripog, Kumanthem Laikai. Lydia expressed her interest in commerce subject and due to her curiosity towards the subject, she pursued commerce. While thanking her parents and teachers of TG Higher Secondary School, Lydia said that she had expected good result and she was happy when she saw the results. On the other hand, parents of Lydia also expressed happiness on the success of their daughter.
हाइना पाउ तारकपजे अखोई फैमिली पुलप लाइफ द येंगा लेबनेबको दुगा आइगी मिंग ताबदा याम हराउबो फावे दगी आई हानादगी सु खरदी एक्सपेक्ट तौजै दुरसु सुमाइना कन्फर्मेशन फंगमनिना हराउबदी फावे आइगी चौबो मंगलान अमा मंफाउनबो चमानै हाइना हाइजनिंग कमर्स से दुम पामजरा लाकपनिना सुमाइना ओजाजु लेतबा स्कूल जु करी तमदोइनोदी खंगजरक्ते दुगा याम तुमाइना याम डेस्परेट ओबा मोमेंट अमादा लेरिकानसिदा आई ओजा अमाना ओजा सारदेव किशोरना सुमाइना लेबनेना ताकपिरकपदगी मंगोंदगी गाइडेंस लौजर अखोई हौजिकी लेरिबा इरांगजे थोलकपदा सुंगाइरिबगी यामना कनबा मतांगजु ओइगिबा असिना अखोई स्कूलगी ओजासिंगजे कनाना कमाइन तौरिनो हाइबसिजु खंगिदे दुगा आइना यामना तमजनिंगबा याम डेस्परेट ओइबनिना ओजाजे कोइथि थिबने याम वाना फंगजै दुना याम हराउबसु फावे दुमाइना ओजा फंगजरखिबसे क्रेडिट से आइगी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आइगी पेरेंट्स ता पिजनिंगे मखोइना अयाम मतमदा आई सपोर्ट तौरगा दुम लाई आई अपामदसु दुम मोइन दुम सपोर्ट तौबी दुगा आई स्कूल की टीचर्सिंग अमदी आई बो अतोपा स्कूल की सु आई गाइडेंस यामना फंगी कोइगी काइनो डिपार्टमेंट साइड तगी 1 month रेसिडेंशियल कोचिंग पांगथोगा अतोपा स्कूल की ओजासिंग जु इंटरेक्शन तौबगी दुमाइना चांस समजु पीबीखी यामना नुंगाइसे दुगा आई ताकपिरकलिबा हेक पीलिकांदगी ताकपिरको ओजासिंग अमदी लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट आई फ्रेंड्सिंग मखोइदा क्रेडिट से पिजनी पीजी दा तमकानजिदा याम तीना डिफरेंट ओबा एटमॉस्फेयर मा लाएबो दुगा मसी पुमनामक्से आई क्रेडिट से अखोइगी मैडम डॉक्टर बेनीता एलांगबो मखोइगी प्रिंसिपल मैडम दा पिजनिंगे महांगने याम स्ट्रिक्ट ओइना अखोइबो गाइडेंस तौरखी दुगा अयाम मतमदसु अतोपा एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज का इंटरेक्ट तौहनबा सिनाजु आइगी पर्सनालिटी दसु याम डेवलपमेंट ओइखी याम थीना शिफ्ट तौरे हाइतारे कइनो प्राइवेट स्कूल दगी स्माइन गवर्नमेंट स्कूल दा लाकपजे
तसेंगना ngasi रिजल्ट सी SKTV की लाइव थारगा अखोई इचानुपी लैपटॉप तौरगा येंगजबनी असि रिजल्ट सि लाउथो मतमदा दुकी मति नुंगाइजब हाइतारे खंगौदना ति नुंगाइgi हाइतारे मसि तसेंग हारगदी यामना वाता पादबा पैसा नुंसा याम पाइ मी दै थोदोंना खलमदबसु या अखोइगी लैरिबा स्टैंडर्ड सिदा इचानुपीना सिगुंबगी थाकसि योरपोसिदा अदुके मतिक नुंगाइजब हाइतारे अखोइ हानगी कइनो ऑल कन्सेप्ट हाइगदरा अखोइ मणिपुरददी नौना खंगनरकपु ओइ हाइना हाइजनिंगी कमर्स अखोइ अतोपा स्टेटददी साइगी 99 PC गुम चटपा 90 प्लस दा यामसिना कमर्स फंगननब होनबदा अवाब ओइ अदु खोसिना कंट्रा चलकांदा साइगी साइंस अदगी आर्ट्स एंड आर्ट्स फो कया थानदबा हजि होंगैब ट्रेन जिसु येंगदा यादब मयामना खनबिरिसिना साइ अंगांगसि गेम सानादना कोतना मोबाइल पाइरगदी मांगनेना साइगी मा मेच्योर क्लास 10 अदगी 10+2 यो तिबो पेरेंट्सिंगना पाहनदबदी लै अदु आइगी मोतदी इचानुपीसे कनो तौबने क्लास 9 दगी आई कनो तौरे मोबाइल अदुम पीबम पाहले अखोइ सिदा कईगुम इरांग थोकना बन बोके तौना क्लास याहौब ngamदब खोत मयाम हविति फ्री कोचिंग मयाम तोंगान तोंगान बा टेक्निक मयाम थादोरै अदु मयाम दुसु मोइना येंबगी खुदोंग चाबा लेबा दै गूगल दा कईगुम वाट मीनिंग am तोंग सु खंगदब खोतब मयाम दो मोबाइल दे येंजरगा सर्च तौरगा असाई ओजा अमदा मतम मांग चलगा हंगगदौ फटक सॉल्व तौब याबगी पोनो खबै अदमाय तौना मसी येंगाकांदा ए कातु कारंदी तौरनो गेम नुं अममा सानादबिदा नंग एजुकेशन सिगा नंग लाइक सिगा मरी लेनबा खैदी आदम सिजनरोना अयाब पिरगांदा लैपटॉप तगी मोबाइल तगी अखोइ लैजद्रगसु अदुदि ngamna बचा बचा द बदम होनरगा लाखि
इजाजना फास्ट तारकपदा ए याम नुंगाइ मागी खलिबा मागी लाइनजिदा ससगे खलिबा पुनमक्से मा चलहगे हाबे वाखलजु खल्ले लाइक लाइसु तंबा खोपा दुम का हेना मंगोंदा ताकनिंगाइ खोनिंगाइ सु दुम कनो तौदे मथंदा दुम होनजे अखोइना लाइक लाइसु पा मतमदा अखोइना ए नंग लाइक पाउ खोलु हाइबजे अखोइना खोइ थबक सुरा लैगरनि मोगी चाना थकना खरा सेमदिरमनि अदु दुम लैये
Yaifabi Sapam, who stood second position in commerce stream, also expressed satisfaction on the result and also thanked her parents and teachers. Yaifabi, who aspires to be an entrepreneur, would like to pursue further studies at DM College of Commerce. Yaifabi Sapam, who is the daughter of S. Ainbi and S. Chinglin from Sapam, Laibung, Thobal district, is also a student of TG Higher Secondary School.
Commerce stream की ओइना second position ताबा ngamjrakpani amadi masi ताबा ngamapasda ai haningai tan harau bokse simaina achievement se phangpagi credit ti aina aigi wakhalon dadi oja amaga amagi marakta amana heli amana tai haina khanjaba karimte leijade maram asina aigi fast teacher oriba aigi mama baba dagi hauraga 12 fogi level sida takpirakliba oja khuding makta aigi main crisis epizani ne adumoina mak TG Higher Secondary School gi Commerce Department de laibiriba Sir Damendra Sir Premchan amadi Sir Manoj Kumar makhoi hom da main credit epizani Kanglup ki irang china sohalaba mairoi singda angamba mateng pangone singba so dum tawjai amadi khara thuna Kanglup irang asilo sindinaba government ki side so aina wafam thamjari.
Joint Action Committee against custodial death of Khoisnam Sanajauba alias Ibungo staged protest at Khurailam Longtinsit Road, Kongpal today. The protesters blocked various routes by burning tires and blocking the road as part of the 24-hour general strike, which was imposed by the JAC from last midnight. Speaking on the sideline, JAC convener Laishram Kumari asserted that they will stage various protests if the governor continue failing to meet their demand. She added that the JAC submitted a memorandum to the governor demanding investigation over the death of Sanajauba, demanding authority to take action against security personnel involved in Sanajauba's arrest, providing compensation to family members, and to hand over video coverage of post-mortem along with detailed report. El Kumari highlighted that the protest was staged in association with local clubs and organizations as the governor failed to meet their demands. Shops, stores and vendors remained closed today during the general strike except for pharmacies. However, there has been no report of any untoward incident till now.
Laikhidraba Khoisnam Sanajawa Elias Ibungo Hariba Angang Asigi Misi Asigidamata Governor da Memorandum Pisangare Akoi Numi Mangani Governor da Matam Taze Hariba Matam Masida Governor na Koi Karigumba Misi Asigi Matang da Langangjin Amta Putopirakta Badagi Akoi Manipur Pombada Lady Basio Sing Amadi Ima Event Sing HEMABATI Club Organizer Singapuna Kusam Naragangasi Banase Kona Satajaban Kidraba Khoisnam Sanajawa Elias Ibungo Asiba Misi Asigi Asing Balangangjin Putopio Aduga Loinana Ma Pabada Chenaba, police personnel sing, Mokogi Mataka Chaba, Excel Lokapio, Adegidi Lakidraba, Imu Manunda, Sarkagi, Magedegi, Pangbayaba, Capacity PBU, Makatana, Governor Degi response like Tagadi, Akoi, Club Maira Pai Bissing Samnaraga, the Wayaba Koi Kari Lega, Kamaita Roga, Magi demand sing Pandoino Hybidoko Tanaraga Maka, Adum Tok the Gigan.
The 24-hour general strike imposed by JAC against custodial death of Khoisnam Sanajauba alias Ibungo has affected daily life of people across Valley District. Markets and shops in Imphal also remained closed. Various people from different places also supported the general strike by blocking roads and burning tires. Passenger vehicles across Valley districts also halted their activity today. Markets in Imphal such as Quaramon Market and nearby markets also remained closed. However, there has been no report of any untoward incident across the districts. Meanwhile, the general strike imposed by the JAC also affected normal life in Thoubal district. Streets, roads, offices and institutions such as Thoubal district headquarters were left vacant as people supported the general strike. Important markets of the district such as Thoubal Kaithel, Babu Kaithel, Yaripuk Tampham Kaithel, New Market, Wangjing and Khongjom Kaithel were a deserted look. Passenger vehicles remained off the Asian highway except for private vehicles. However, there has been no report of any untoward incident in the district. Chairman of Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipuri War 1891, Martyrs and Freedom Fighters of Kangleipak, Joychandra Kunthojam, has urged people in Manipur to teach a befitting lesson to sycophant MLAs who remain subservient to centre during the crisis in the upcoming assembly election. Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipuri War 1891, Martyrs and Freedom Fighters of Kangleipak, Manipur, organized a tribute-paying ceremony for fallen heroes of Khongjom War at Tengo Lampak in Khongjom today. Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendra, Chairman of Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipuri War 1891, Martyrs and Freedom Fighters of Kangleipak, Manipur, Joychandra Kunthojam, Advisor of the committee, Chingkai Luangcha, and Advisor of Ningthimcha Ningsinglup, R.K. Megazid, attended the function. During the program, senior journalist Hemanta Kumar Ningomba, editor of Imphal Times, Rinku Kumukcham, editor of Kangla Pau, Paunam Labango, chief editor of Elite TV, Jit Ningomba, and head department of law, Manipur University, Dr. Yumnam Premananda, were also felicitated. Speaking in the program, Joy Chandra Konthaujam accused the center of treating the attack by Chin Cookie terrorists to Manipur without any seriousness, while paying extra attention to terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir. While informing that people in Manipur are watching with keen eyes on what steps India will take, Joy Chandra Konthaujam also lashed out on MLAs in the state who have remained subservient to direction of center while ignoring the interests of the state.
Hꯧji tholiba langse tasena aikoina hai karigino haibu matamda aikoigi miyamna vote piraga kachu MLA sin MLA singi marakta sagai gi maidal asiba haibadi aikoigi irandam asida miyamgi mihut oiga vote ka kare vote kar matungda irandam asida lenga panba ngamdaba haibise Delhi da lenga yon thokba haibise masi aikoigi sagai gi maidal asiba MLA yaubadagi tawbari adu oibataragadi sagai gi maidan asiba MLA sing ase masi aikoi tasina machak khangtoga hairi bije lakadrba election da parata bi mathau ta makoina ngasi phawbada masa masa gi interest ta tabak tawrisi karigino makoi punchil laga thabak tawai bini punchil laga iram dangau ijati ngau iram dam cheng asibi kangkhong chaire wakhan fajana khanbi u haibene ba ngasi phawbada akoi punchil nabigi wakhan tawde punchil laga thabak thorom tawse agadi makoi power munarga leba power munabagi thabak se tokcheba nasidi Manipur se nungaigani yaipagani ena merge tawbo nungaigani yaipagani merge tawraga India na Manipur bu mache tana thugaina bu hona base kudak lepiu sini.
Leaders cutting across party lines have extended support to the actions taken by Cabinet Committee on Security against Pakistan following Pahalgam terror attack. They also assured the government of full support in the fight against terrorism and possible action taken by it during the all-party meeting convened by the government at Parliament House Complex in New Delhi yesterday around 6 p.m. in view of the Pahalgam terror attack. During the meeting, several opposition parties asked questions about the apparent failure of security protocols at Baisaran, Pahalgam, under Anantnag district in Jammu and Kashmir. In response, the government reportedly said local authorities did not inform security agencies before opening the Baisaran area, which traditionally remains restricted until the Amarnath Yatra in June. Meanwhile, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, said that opposition has extended full support to the central government to take any action in response to the gruesome terror attack at Pahalgam. A severe rainstorm occurred at noon in Noni district today, which had blown out the rooftops of Noni police station and NHIDCL office, along with some houses. According to a reliable source, the severe rainstorm had affected houses, including temporary structures, trees and signboards at Longmai in the district. On the other hand, a Mahindra Bolero SUV was also destroyed by the rainstorm at Longmai Patre. Additional Director General of BSF Eastern Command, Ravi Gandhi, called on Manipur Governor and held meeting about security situation, duties performed by BSF troops and operational preparedness of troops yesterday. The ADG BSF arrived yesterday at Imphal and was received by IG BSF Indra Singh at the airport and met with Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh. He then proceeded to BSF headquarters in Koiringai and conducted detailed operational review. He also visited various BSF locations in Senapati and Kangpokpi districts and interacted with commanders and troops deployed in these districts. He further visited police headquarters and held meeting with Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh, followed by another meeting with Chief Secretary. High Court of Manipur today informed that a division bench consisting of Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, D. Krishna Kumar, and Justice A.B. Mosing has been constituted every Tuesday and Friday in supersession of earlier notification. District Health Mission Society, Imphal West, has organized felicitation program for Kaya Kalp 2023-2024 and 2024-2025 winner health facilities of Imphal West District today. During the program, around 45 community health centers and primary health centers of the district were presented with awards. Speaking at the program, District Health Mission Society, Imphal West Chairman and Imphal West District Deputy Commissioner Mayang Langbam Rajkumar highlighted that the award was given to the health centers for their dedication towards helping people. He added that around 55 health centers won the award last year. Furthermore, Mayang Langbam Rajkumar urged the other health centers to work hard and win the award in future. He also emphasized the importance of hard work in achieving a dream. Khongjom Battle Memorial Committee, Manipur, today paid tribute to statues of Khongjom war heroes, including Lamjingpuril Chongthamya and other unknown brave soldiers at Khongjom Tengo Lampak. In a press note issued by Secretary of Khongjom Battle Memorial Committee, Manipur, Jingtham Luwang, asserted that Khongjom Day must be observed on April 25 and expressed dissatisfaction on Commissioner of Art and Culture, Manipur, for withholding the file that attempts to bring out the correct date of Khongjom War. Security forces recovered weapons and warlike stores during search operations, which were conducted in Bishnupur district. According to police, combined team of Central Force and Bishnupur District Police conducted search operation in suspected areas of Kaifa and Kumam under Moirang Police Station around 2 a.m. today. During the operation, the combined team recovered 1 303 rifle, 1 carbine machine gun, 4 single-barrel guns, 2 9mm pistol, 2 hand grenades, 2 IEDs, 2 grenade launching pipes, 2 grenade launching rings, 2 tear smoke grenades, 1 grenade number 8010 303 live rounds, 7 ballistic live rounds, 15 7.62 mm ammunition empty cartridges, 4 7.62 mm AK rifle ammunition empty cartridges, 28 5.56 mm ammunition empty cartridges, 1 BP helmet and 1 Baofeng radio set from Kumam Patol. The recovered items were handed over to Moirang Police Station for further lawful proceedings. Security forces arrested 8 members belonging to 4 armed organizations in various operations that were conducted yesterday. In one of the operations, security forces arrested 1 active member of KCP City Meitei from Phaknung Sangomsang village under Lamlai Police Station in Imphal East District. The arrested person has been identified as Yaikom Kiran Meitei, age 28, of Phaknung Sangomsang in Imphal East District. Security forces also recovered a mobile phone from his possession. Further, in the follow-up, another member of KCP City Meitei was also arrested from Sombung Kabui Khunjau, lane number 4 in Imphal East District. The arrested person has been identified as Nongthombam Ratan, alias Tombi, age 48, of Phaknung Awang Lekai, under Imphal East District. They were reportedly engaged in extortion activities from various petrol pumps located in Imphal East. In another operation, Manipur police arrested 3 active cadres of Pambai-led UNLF from RIMS Hospital near the gate of Jubilee Hall. They were involved in extortion cases at hospitals and toll tax booths. They have been identified as Arambam Tomtom, alias Thawailakpa, age 29, of Lamsang Haipong Pokpi Mayailekai in Imphal West District. Ningombam Manau Meitei, alias Thauyangba, age 44, of Kongbalashram Lekai in Imphal East District, and Haisnam Thomas, age 29, of Mayang Imphal Kokchai in Imphal West District. Police also recovered 1,13,910 rupees in cash, 6 mobile phones, 1 four-wheeler and 2 Aadhaar cards. In another operation, Security forces arrested 2 active cadres of RPF PLA from 2 separate locations. The arrested persons are Furit Sabam Sunil, age 39, of Laimakong Chingmang, currently a resident of Mandop Yumpham Relief Camp Kurkul. He was arrested from Konghampad area. The other arrested person has been identified as Leifrakpam Sanatumba Maite, alias Puremba, age 32, of Langthabal Leb Makalekai. He was arrested from Paubitek Lamkai under Wangoi Police Station in Imphal West District. He was involved in extortion activities by serving monetary demands, threats, and collected money from different schools located in and around Imphal area. Police recovered 30,000 rupees and a 2-wheeler. Meanwhile, security forces arrested 1 active cadre of KCP PWG from a farmhouse at Chesabi Pad under Irilbung Police Station in Imphal West District. The arrested person has been identified as Takilambam Prem Kumar, age 47, of Thiam Konjin Samanching Laikai in Imphal East District. Security forces also recovered 3 mobile handsets, 1 4-wheeler and a wallet from his possession. Assam Rifles Public School Manipuri took part in 2-day Empathy Art Festival held from April 24 to 25 at ARPS Lightcore Shillong under the initiative of Project Empathy. The festival, based on the theme I Am With You, aimed to promote an emotional connection and compassion among students through artistic expression. 7 ARPS institutions across the country were nominated for the event, including ARPS Manipuri. A team of 8 students and 2 teachers from the school represented the institution at the festival. Variety of creative activities such as postcard writing, poetry recitation, individual artwork and graffiti art were featured during the event. Organizers described the festival as a powerful initiative to cultivate emotional intelligence and empathy in young minds, highlighting the role of art in bridging emotional and cultural gaps. Babina Specialty Hospital and American Oncology Institute, Khabai Soi, have organized free cancer screening camp at Chandel District Hospital today in association with Chandel District Hospital and various organizations of the district. Attendees were provided with medical services such as medical, surgical and gynae oncology consultation, head and neck ENT oncology consultation, along with medical tests such as pap, smear test and other tests during the camp. Around 204 people attended the camp and they were also provided with necessary medicines. UYC New Kaitil Manbi Imphal West, in association with Veterinary Office Imphal, organized a 1-day mass anti-rabies vaccination program at New Kaitil Manbi and adjoining tribal villages. The program was organized under the aegis of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUCO. About 120 dogs and cats were vaccinated during the program. AMUCO has urged people to support your initiative and assistance program, which are conducted from time to time. Mass anti-rabies vaccination program were organized at Papal and Langthabal Kuno in Thoubal District today. One such program was organized under the aegis of Thoubal District Veterinary Joint Director Ilangbam Sitaljit at Papal Mayailekai today. During the program, around 50 dogs were vaccinated with anti-rabies vaccines. Bloc will be organizing a public rally on May 3, marking 2 years of the ongoing crisis in Manipur. The day will be observed as Yelhomi Singh Punchin Banumit. Making the announcement, Chief Advisor of MLA Office Moirang, Dr. Y. Modu said, the public rally will begin at 2:30 p.m. from Moirang Chengai Lampak and conclude at MLA Office at Moirang Philim Laikai. A public meeting will also be convened at the MLA Office at Moirang Philim Laikai. Dr. Y. Modu has appealed to people to take part in the public rally.
Maitai amasung kuti inigimlakta chatharakpa dal haiba tare asi Manipurgi mafam khudimmakta thokli to hairibasi mipum khudimmakki pungningda kawwa yadaba thodok ama oiba maramna lakadoriba English ninga kuning mangagi megi tang ahumda hariba numida sibu tongan ba ming thonduna Manipurgi CSO sing magi celebration natraga observance tongnana bidamakta sem sari madugi manungda igi morang kendra dasu chingmi tami machin manawa bagi punna hingmenaba adugi ideology makhada NPP morang block na Indigenous Unification Day Helawmi singi punchin manumit haidona koi MLA gi good office ki makhada koi silangi Helawmi sing da singnarapa khudingmak sapchana thengnaba ga tunglam chatta Manipur gi apun masakam ngak pahaibli chingbo wafam gada koi wagang gadori
Blessing ceremony of Manipuri feature film titled Aise Aigira was held at Khuraiputhi Belaikai, Arambam Leirak today. The film will be produced by Sunil Ningthojam under the banner of Young Films Production. Former chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Samjit Savam Mangoljao, film director Ojit Babu Ningthojam, along with actors and crew members, graced the ceremony. Actors such as Silhaiba, Sushmita, Jailish, Idho, Mudhuvala, Puneshwari are part of the project. The film will be directed by Thoiba Soibam and story is done by Priti Iringbam. In the sports news, second KH Arabjan Begum Memorial Sub-Junior Under-15 Futsal Football Tournament 2025 kicked off today at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground. The tournament is being organized by Old Jiribam Sports Association. In the opening match, Sunrise Club Kadampokpi defeated Sonapur GPSA A 4-0. In the second match, KMYC Kamaranga beat RYC Ramgajang team 4-1. Principal of R.K. Snatumbi Devi Vidyalaya School S. Manshan, President of ADSA M. Brajakanta, donor of the tournament Kulakpam Abdul Khan, graced the opening ceremony of the tournament. And in the weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 30.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 21 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 76% in the morning and 69% in the evening. Manipur received 0.1 millimeter of rainfall in the past 24 hours. Now, before we wrap up for the day, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur declares Class 12 examination results with 94% pass percentage. General strike against custodial death of Koisnam Sanajauba alias Ibungo underway. JSC to take up further steps if governor does not initiate action. Justice Committee Chairman Joy Chandra Konthojam urges people of Manipur to teach a lesson to sycophant MLAs in upcoming assembly elections. And all-party meeting resolves to support measures taken by government in response to Pahalgam terror attack. Now that's all we have for today's Primetime English News. Thank you for watching SKTV and keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good night.